Hello fellow crocheters, this is Nina from Spoons and Hooks. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Russian join to connect yarn. This is an extremely secure join, although it is slightly bulky. I use it when crocheting pattern stitches in which the bulkiness can be hidden, such as in the clusters of a granny square. Let's get started. Take your first piece of yarn and thread it through a yarn needle. Then, untwist your yarn slightly to separate the strands. You're going to form a loop by working the yarn needle through the middle of the yarn a little at a time, untwisting the yarn as you go. Do this for at least 1 inch. Then, hold onto the loop and gently and firmly pull the yarn tail all the way through. Now you've formed your first loop. Next, thread your second piece of yarn through the yarn needle. Then use the needle to thread it through the loop of the first piece of yarn. Now you're going to form a loop in your second piece of yarn by once again untwisting the yarn and working the needle through the middle a little at a time. It's okay if the needle goes in and out a little bit, as long as you mostly catch the middle. When you've done this for at least 1 inch, pull the yarn tail all the way through. You'll want to smooth down each piece of yarn. Then, you'll want to trim off each yarn tail close to the yarn. Now, your 2 pieces of yarn are connected by interlocking loops. You can see that I'm pulling on the join and it is very firm. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps you crochet something beautiful.